So today we will see the drawing of some primitive shapes using OpenGL. So firstly, let's start with square. We will use the vertex 2f function instead of some primitive function, means those functions. So we are using some kind of primitive functions of line draw to do this. So here is a rough drawing of a square. So this will be 0, 0. This will be 1, 0. This will be 1, 1, and this will be 0, 1. So what we will do is we will draw the vertex 2f from 0, 0 to 1, 0, then 1, 0 to 1, 1, then 1, 1 to 0, 1, and 0, 1 to 0, 0. So let's try this. So I have already done that. So 0, 0 to this one 0.500, we are taking this at 0.5 scale. Then we will do is this is 0.50 to 0, 0. Then this one is 0.5 to 0, 0.5, and this is 0, 0.5 to 0, 0. So we are scaling this accordingly, means it will be 1 scaled to 0.5. So let's run this. So it will draw a square. So this is drawing a square. Now let's try with some different shapes like a triangle. So suppose we are drawing like this, right angle triangle using OpenGL. So this will be 0, 0. This will be 1, 0. This will be 1, 1. So what it is doing now is it is going from 0, 0 to 1, 0, 1, 0 to 1, 1, and 1, 1 to 0, 0. So we will change this. So let's copy this, Ctrl C, Ctrl N, Ctrl V, Ctrl S. So I am naming this as triangle, primitive triangle .py. So now what we will do is we are taking the same scale. So 0.5 to 1, 1, and here we will go from 0.5 to, supposedly this will work. So its name is try.py. So this is a triangle. Now suppose we want to draw something more complex like this. It's kind of a ruby. Now suppose we also want like this. So it will be 0, 0. This will be, suppose we are taking it at scale of 0.5. So this will be 0.5 comma 0.5. I hope this is quite understandable. My drawing is very bad and writing is bad too, since I don't practice it. So and now we will calculate this. So supposedly this moves from 0.3, let's take it, and it will go to suppose 0.8, and similarly this will also go from minus 0.3 to 0.8, and similarly this is minus 0.5. this is just a reflection to 0.5, and this is from minus 0.5 to minus 0.5. So what we will do is we will go from 0, 0 to 0.5, 0.5, then 0.5 to 0.3, 0.8, and then 0.3 0.8 to minus 0.3 0.8, and from minus 0.3 0.8 to minus 0.5 0.5, and then from here to here. It's like a circle. So let's try this. So I will upload this code, don't worry, and Control B, Control S. So suppose we are naming it as ruby.py. Okay, so we are taking that scale, so 0 0 to 0.5 0.5. Then let's close all this. So now will be 0.5 0.5 to 0.3 0.8. Then we will do is 0.3 0.8 to minus 0.3 0.3 0.8. Now what we will do is we will go from here to minus of this, minus 0.5 0.5, and we will go from minus 0.5 0.5 to 0 0. I think this will work. I haven't tried this before. Now let's see this. Fine. Oh, I was doing that. So this is Python Ruby. Cool. So this is more like a diamond or ruby, whatever you say. So we will draw a line from here to here, so which is minus 0.5 to 0.5 to 0.5 0.5. So let's draw that. Minus 0.5 0.5 2.5 0.5, and it will draw that line. Now suppose we want to draw something more complex, like this one and this one. So what this value will be, any guesses? If you guess it right, it will be 0.5 comma 0, and these are same. So let's draw this. Now for this line it will be 0.50 to 0.3 0.8, and for this line it will be we are starting it from 0.5, same thing, 0.5 0.0 to minus 0.3 0.8 0.8. Fine, hopefully this will do. Oops, I've done something wrong. 0.5. Oops, it will be 0 comma 0.5, since this is x is 0 and y is 5. Sorry for that. That was a mistake. So 0.0 0.5, and this will be, hopefully this works. Cool. And from 0.0 0.5 to, we can draw like 0.0 to 0.8 for another one. So 0.0 0.5 to 0.0. Hopefully this will work. Cool. Now if you want to connect this to this will be 0.3, 0.8 to 0.3, 0.5. This is 0.3, 0.5. And sorry for the writing, it's clearly not understandable. And this is minus 0.3, 0.5. So what it will do is it will go from tab, so 0.0, 0.5, so this will be 0.3, 0.5 to 0.3, 0.8, and that will be just the mirror kind of thing. So minus 0.3 to 0.5, 0.3 to 0.5. Yep. So this kind of a diamond like of thing. And if we want to do something more like this and this, so it will be 0.0 to 0.3, 0. Minus 0.3, 0.5. So 0.0 to minus 0.0 to minus 0.3, 0.5, and 0.0 to 0.3, 0.8. Let's do this. Oops, sorry for that. It will be 0.3, 0.5. Okay, more or less good. And another one from 0.0 to this point, which is 0.0, comma 0.5. Fine. So this is more or less like diamond. I know this will be a little more like this, it works. And I hope you can draw some more kind of polygon shape with this. So this is how we draw lines and simple shapes using PyOpenGL. So we will see more in the next about how to reflect a point. Those are basic transformation and etc, etc, and we will move to more interesting topics later. So thanks for watching this video.